Guys, after subscribing to this channel, please make sure that you also press the bell icon so that no notification, no new video of mine, any educational video, is missed by anybody.
All right, so this is your first slide. For everyone who's joined in right now, this is your first slide. Okay, and these are the questions. These are the questions, and you're getting 4 minutes, okay? Out of which, for the latecomers, 2 minutes have already gone. Please continue. All right, guys, the time is up. Let's have a discussion. I haven't yet received your answers this time. Are you guys still writing? I don't think so, because like I said last time, the speed was excellent. I have many of my students were there in the last class as well. Let me see. Bhavna, you were there. Well, I think Megha, you were also there. Usha, and all my old students. Lavanya, you were there. So please keep sharing, guys, so that everybody also understands what exactly do you have to do in the class. We're going to share this. And this procedure, okay, I had the slide. I'm so sorry. The slide was like this. It's not my mistake. You have very, very old slides for this. So we have, this slide circulated on so many portals, and even I could not understand because it was so hazy to see. But this is supposed to be LOD, laparoscopic ovarian drilling. Hopefully, this is what it looks like. So the procedure is laparoscopic ovarian drilling. Mostly the indication of laparoscopic ovarian drilling is when you have clomiphene resistant anovulation. In whatever, you have obese PCOS or you have just PCOS, lean, mostly it's there for lean PCOS, but we say if there is a clomiphene resistant anovulation, you'd better do a laparoscopic ovarian drilling. What instrument are used for this procedure? So one is the laparoscope for visualization, diathermy needle, or the monopolar cautery for drilling the ovarian cortex, and you have atraumatic tissue graspers, which you can see in this for holding the ovary. It has to be atraumatic because you don't want to damage any ovarian tissue. List 3 essential points for ensuring safety. Very important is least number of punctures, avoid excessive thermal injury, monitor for adhesions post-surgery. Okay, all these things you have to be sure of. List 2 complications of this procedure. So it will definitely, because wherever, see, remember one thing, guys, what you are doing is macroscopic. What is being damaged is microscopic. So you are actually holding the entire tissue of the, ovary, but there are millions of, eggs that you are disrupting in that area. So, or potential eggs that you're disrupting in that area. So if you are even, cauterizing and you are unnecessarily using excessive, energy source, and you're damaging forever those, future oocytes, because of the tissue is getting damaged. So reduced ovarian reserve and adhesion formation are the 2 complications of this procedure. And what is the rationale? Well, basically to induce ovulation in women with PCOS. How do you do that? Because you're reducing the ovarian androgen production and trying to restore the normal hormonal feedback system. So it basically improvises the spontaneous ovulation and thereby fertility. If anyone has any questions in this, please feel free to ask. And I don't want this silence in my class. I want everyone to answer this the way it was in the last class, because otherwise there's no fun in this mock OSCE. All right, I can just post it on the app. All of you have already subscribed to my practical class. You can go ahead and you can just see from there. Okay, there's no fun in the class if people are not answering. So everybody, we've got a very good strength of the class, and it was excellent last class. Excellent. I had to count how much the responses are. There were so many responses and they would just not stop. Time has stopped, my explanation has stopped, but the responses are just kept on rolling. That is the energy level which I want in my class. And with this expectation, we move on to the next one, and this is the station.